So I just came home and my little one is coughing. So I'm about to make a cough drink to put an end to the coughing. So I figured this is a great time to show you how to make a cough suppressant drink. Welcome back to Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I show you how you can use food as medicine to prevent and cure sickness and illness. And from the title, you already know we're going to be making a cough suppressant in the form of a drink. And we only need 4 ingredients: pineapple, ginger, lemon, and honey. Pineapple is excellent for cough because it contains an enzyme called bromelain that is amazing at suppressing your cough, soothing your throat. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants. It helps to soothe your throat, and it's great to suppress coughs. In many countries, ginger and honey has been used to soothe a dry cough and to also help with the symptoms of asthma. The bromelain in pineapples act as an expectorant to help with productive wet coughs. Ginger helps to soothe dry coughs. So the combination is going to help with any cough your little one may have. Honey contains tons of amino acids and antioxidants. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. The antimicrobial effect of honey has been proven in laboratory studies to be effective against various types of bacteria, such as Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Lemon is also useful as a cough suppressant and an expectorant, which helps you bring up phlegm. Okay, I'm about to pull out my blender so we can make this cough suppressant. All right, we're gonna start out with our cup of pineapples, 2 inches of ginger, 1 cup of coconut water. You can either use coconut water or regular water. I like coconut water because of the hydration. So I always substitute coconut water for water in most of my recipes. Let's go ahead and blend. We're gonna leave the lemon juice for last. So give this drink a try. All of the ingredients in this drink are excellent for cough, whether it's a dry cough or a productive cough. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I show you quick and easy tips on how you can use food as medicine. If you found anything of value in this video, do not hesitate to subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy.